Hello and welcome to the Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast, looking at some of the recent New Jersey decisions. In this edition, we're looking at an unreported case of State versus Carmichael. The defendant here appealed his conviction on a drug charge. The police officer conducted a motor vehicle stop solely on the basis that the defendant made a turn onto a highway ramp without signaling. The officer then smelled marijuana, and that's under the old law, when he approached the car. Other officers arrived. The defendant was asked to exit the car and admitted he smoked marijuana on occasion. The officers searched the car and found 4 vials of pot in the center console, and then they found more pot. Defendant filed a motion alleging there was no legitimate basis for the motor vehicle stop because they made a turn, but there was no other traffic late at night. The motion judge found the parties did not address whether that there was a specific violation of the New Jersey turn statute 39:4-126, where they discuss may affect traffic. The motion judge reopened testimony. The officer questions himself. The defense counsel objected to the leading questions. The appeal court found the record did not support a finding that the defendant's failure to use his turn signal may have affected the officer's movement. There were no other vehicles apparently on the road when the defendant made his turn. The officer's vehicle was the only one that could have been affected, and the officer's testimony was predicated on speculative hypotheticals. That's what the court wrote. It's really hypotheticals. So the conviction was reversed, or actually the fact that this suppression motion was granted and the conviction reversed, and that's State versus Carmichael. For other information on criminal cases in New Jersey, visit website N.J.S.A. If charged with a criminal matter, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.